Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about XRP price prediction and XRP news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecasts for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. We will start this video with news about XRP vs SEC. SEC simply seeking a do-over. Ripple files opposition to SEC's motion. The legal battle between Ripple and SEC is getting complicated as both parties now more active than ever. Ripple and the individual defendants have filed their opposition to the SEC's motion for partial reconsideration and clarification of Judge Netburn's DPP ruling. The notice mentioned that SEC's motion is simply seeking a do-over. Ripple files opposition to SEC's motion citing a do-over. The SEC's motion is an inappropriate attempt at a do-over simply because it is unhappy with the court's order on its prior briefing. The SEC makes no pretense that the demanding standard for reconsideration is satisfied here, reads the notice. The letter mentions that SEC is trying to again brief an issue that has been extensively litigated for nearly a year. This time it is based on a new theory and a reversal of course. Ripple's notice clearly attacked the SEC's conflicting consideration of the Hinman's speech. The SEC maintained that Mr. Hinman's speech simply expressed the personal views of the speaker. The SEC now argues for the first time that the speech was the culmination of and reflected a policy process within the Division of Corporation Finance. This reversal contradicts Mr. Hinman's sworn statement. Advertisement: find next crypto gem on KuCoin. Sign up to claim $500 welcome bonus. Actually, SEC has been using the delay tactics to further stretch the case. The Commission also fails to establish that court's January 13, 2022 order was an error. Over the Hinman speech, the court has already recognized that SEC staff were involved in discussions around the speech. The SEC has never before argued that the discussions about what Mr. Hinman should include in his 2018 speech were part of a process that led to the framework, reads the notice. Earlier, the Commission filed its opposition to Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse's motion to compel its turnover of notes taken by Matthew Estabrook. The mentioned notes were taken back in 2018 during a meeting between Elliot Roisman and Brad Garlinghouse. However, the SEC has submitted the notes to the court for an on-camera review. The next news is Judge denies latest SEC motion in Ripple lawsuit. Ripple gains another victory in the ongoing lawsuit, as the court has dismissed the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission's SEC latest bid to strike Ripple's fair notice affirmative defense. Xrp reply motion denied. The latest development in the SEC vs XRP case has been in favor of the fintech company, as Judge Analisa Torres denied the SEC's request to file its Xrp reply, based on the outcome of a similar case against blockchain content platform LBRY. The magistrate judge ruling over this other case had ruled on the pleadings on unconnected selective enforcement defense. However, Ripple's lawyers argued that its fair notice defense should not be attacked by the SEC based on out-of-circuit recently decided cases. The lawyers also pointed out the SEC's double standard as it did not move to strike against LBRY's fair notice defense plea. The lack of action had also not been mentioned in the SEC's proposed Xrp reply. However, the Ripple team won this round, as Judge Torres dismissed the SEC's request. Former federal prosecutor and defense lawyer James K. Filan tweeted, in a one-word order, District Judge Torres has denied the SEC's motion to file a Xrp reply in support of its motion to strike. Lawsuit tipping in favor of Ripple. The lawsuit between Ripple and SEC has been going on since December of 2020. Despite a lack of concrete rulings, the many twists and turns have been keeping the crypto community glued to the intricacies of this legal battle. However, there is a sense of relief among the Ripple community with regard to the lawsuit, since it does appear to be leaning favorably towards the fintech company. The court has granted Ripple the permission to plead multiple motions that would strengthen its case. Judge orders release of sealed memos. Most recently, Judge Torres had ordered the release of 2 memos dating back to 2012 that were monumental in establishing that XRP does not constitute securities, as per Ripple's general counsel, Perkins Qua. Citing the memos, Ripple was able to argue that they did not establish as a matter of undisputed fact that the fintech firm had constitutionally adequate notice that the SEC would view XRP as a security. The SEC had claimed that Ripple had ignored the warnings contained in the memos and had continued selling XRP from 2013 to 2020. However, a former SEC insider, Joseph Hall, believes that the regulator is likely to lose the lawsuit, especially if Judge Torres questions the SEC's delayed response to his concerns about Ripple's activities since 2012. Disclaimer. This article is provided for informational purposes only. It is not offered or intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, financial, or other advice. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, Crypto Ground, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, Crypto Ground analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34. Wallet Investor is pretty positive about the future of XRP. The average price will be above $2 throughout the year. XRP United States dollar will start the year at $2.23. By the last day of 2023, the price will reach $2.8. The XRP forecast from Crypto Ground is still optimistic. Despite a slight decline at the beginning of the year, the cryptocurrency is expected to reach $2.37 by 2024. The penultimate forecast from the Coin Price Forecast platform expects Ripple to start 2023 at $2.30, then soar to $2.82 during the first 6 months, and end 2023 at $3.33. Last but not least, economy forecast agency experts are bearish on Ripple in 2023. In January, the price of the coin will be set at $1.75. The general downward trend will lead to the fact that by the end of the year, the coin rate will reach $1.23.